Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, we're going to be going over CSS multi-column layouts. And in my body tag of my HTML, make sure that you have a style sheet linked to your style.css file. And you'll have a style.css file. And I am just doing a live server I'm just running live server in order to see my changes live time. Now on my index.html, I'm going to create a header tag. And inside this header tag, I'm just going to add the h1, which is just going to say CSS multi-column layout tutorial. And then under my header, I'm going to create a section with a class of content. And in this section, I'm just going to add a couple p tags, and I'll add another p tag and a third p tag. And inside, I'm just going to have some lorem text. I'm actually going to have a total of 4 p tags and just fill it with some information or random text inside. So now when I hit save, you'll see this lorem ipsum text. And that's pretty much all I'll have in my HTML file. And now when I go over to my style.css, I'm just going to add a body tag and format it just to make it look a little nice by adding a font family. And I'll do something like Arial sans serif, and that'll change the font. And I'll do a line height of 1.6, margin and padding of 0, and a background color of something like this kind of nearly white color. And then in my header, I want to do a background color of something dark grayish, and I'll do a text align center, and the color of the text will be white, so hashtag FFF, and a padding of 1 rem0, just so that we get that nice light color text on a dark background. And now using that .content class that we created in our section, I'm going to do a max width of 800 pixels, margin of 20 pixels, and add an auto at the end. A padding of 20 pixels, background will still be white, border radius of 8 pixels, and now I'll add a box shadow just to make it look a little nice, and just like this. So now you'll see this background color is purely white, just so it has a little bit of a shadow around this, not 100% white background. And now for the paragraph text and the content, I'll just do a margin of 001 rem. And now we're going to actually add the multi-column layout. So using the .content tag, I'm going to add a column count of 2. And now when I hit save, you're going to see 2 columns. And I'm going to add a little gap in between this. So when I do column gap of 20 pixels, you're going to see a little gap incurred right in the middle. And now I'll do something like adding a max width of the text. So I'll add at media, max width, semicolon, 768 pixels. And now in an open curly bracket, I'll do the .content, and I'll do a column count of 1. And now what this is going to do is when my max width is 768 pixels, then it's going to be only 1 column. But if it's more than that, then it's going to split into 2 columns, like so. And this setup will create a responsive 2-column layout for the content, making it easier to read and visually appealing. Thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next. Feel free to join the Discord and Patreon in the link below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.